was this: if a set of vectors is linearly dependent, then at least one member of the set can be expressed as linear combination of the remaining members. Okay, so the meaning of this one is like this: if you have a set of members like x1, x2, x3, if they are linearly dependent, which means I should be able to write them like this, right? Then they are saying that we can express one of the member as a linear combination of the remaining, which means we should be able to express x1 equal to something like this. So see, I can write it like this, right? k1 into x1 equal to minus k2 into x2 minus k3 into x3, right? Then x1 equal to that is the meaning of this point. So if we have any set of linearly dependent equations, then we can write like this. What is the meaning of it? Even though they might have given you two equations, or let's say three equations to solve for the variables, it might be the case that one of the underlying equation might have been derived from the other two. In that case, using this information to solve the equations is actually useless. That is the meaning of it. Okay. And now even it can be applied to the other definition as well, which means if we have a set of linearly independent vectors, then we cannot express one vector as a linear combination of the remaining members. I am just applying it to the other one. See, if they are linearly dependent, we can apply them. If they are linearly independent, we cannot apply, which means we cannot write one equation as a combination of the others. So if, as you know, it is always better that you have linearly independent equations, which will be helpful to solve the equations. Got it? So when we have linearly independent vectors, they will be useful in solving the equations, not the linearly dependent ones, because this is the reason. Okay. And then we have one more definition, which is called as column rank or row rank. So when you have a matrix, then the number of linearly independent rows, the maximum number of linearly independent rows is called as row rank of the matrix. Similarly, the maximum number of linearly independent columns is called as column rank of the matrix. Why is this row rank or column rank required? Is, as I said, these row rank or column rank will give us how many equations are really independent of the others and how many equations have been derived from the others, so they are useless for solving. Okay, so see this: the maximum number of linearly independent rows or columns of a matrix is called as row rank or column rank of the matrix. So incidentally, it so happened that row rank is equal to column rank is equal to rank of the matrix. Therefore, either you say row rank or column rank or rank of a matrix, all these three are same. And the rank of a matrix has a very important role to play in solving the equations. Shortly I'll show you how it is in the next video. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.